Okay, the problem is 6 into 6a square plus 3b square plus c square is equal to 5n square, and we have to prove that 0 0 0 0 is only the solution, and this goes to obviously infinite addition. And we will prove all a b c d sorry n are divisible by 2. N is even, so assume n is equal to 2n1 and put this in the equation. So we will get 3 into 6a square plus 3b square plus c square is equal to 5 into 2n1 square. Okay, wait, n is even because this side is 6, so this should be even, otherwise this whole will odd and this whole will be become even. So now we have to prove a b c are also even. Then assume that all a b and c are odd and use odd square is congruent 1 mod 8. And now we will take mod 8 both sides. So this side will become 3 into 6 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus, sorry, here also 1 is congruent either 2 or 0 mod 8, because n1 can be even or odd also. And this side is equal to 30, which is neither congruent 2 mod 8 and 0 mod 8, because 30 is already minus 2 mod 8. So we conclude that one of A, B, C is even. Okay, case 1 is A even, or A is equal to 2A1. Now the problem becomes 3 into 24 A1 square plus 3B square plus C square is equal to 10 N1 square. Now we will take again mod at both sides. Then this side will become 3 into 0 plus 3 plus 1. Wait, we have taken B and C are odd. Is congruent. This side will become 2 odd 0 mod 8. Again n1 can even and odd both. This side is 3 into 4, which can neither 2 or 0 mod 8, because this is 4 mod 8. So one of B or C is even. Now if B will even, then this also even, this also even, and this also even, then C already become even. Similarly, if C will even, then B also become even. Then let us B is equal to 2B1 and C is equal to 2C1. Now this becomes infinite descent. Again take another case 2 that B is even and A, C are odd. Here you have to take mod 4. So I am lefting this for viewers. Also the third case, when C is even and A B odd, here also mod 4 works. This I am also lefting for viewers.